I like this idea and that's why I'm doing it again. Today we're gonna be investigating Shein and Temu again to see if they're actually selling the same products. Last time I tried this video for the first time because I was seeing it everywhere and I wanted to see for myself. So I did that video and I loved it because it was fun to see same product, same item looking different in their own way, but they're still the same thing. Let's just say that they take the same picture from the internet. They use it as their own pictures. I'm pleased to inform you that today we will be reviewing 4 items. Last time was 3. Today it's 4. See, I'm upgrading. Hi my friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. The first thing we're going to be reviewing is this skirt. Temu called it directed women's elastic waist midi skirt, pencil skirt, prom elegant long skirt. Oh my god. I get it, it's a skirt, okay? Last time we reviewed 3 items. Today we're also reviewing 3. It's 4 actually, but I bought 3, but we're reviewing 4. The reason is because one of the items, I have that same item from Shein a very long time ago, but I think I wore it once, and yeah, so I was like, okay, let's bring it back. Let's buy something similar on Temu, and let's see if it's the same. Shein called this, oh my god, I was gonna say Shimu again. If you watch that video, if you haven't, please watch it. There's a lot of Shimu on there. But today I'm gonna be very, very cautious. So, and then I don't know what Shein calls it because it's been a while I bought this. And I tried tracing it back, but I couldn't find it. So I was like, okay. This one is from Shein. It's in green color. I wanted to show you the tag so you know it's from Shein and it's in large. Face, do you guys see that? Yes. So Shein, it is extremely long. I like it though. Like, I like the picture. That was why I got it then, and I still like it because I love long skirts. I really do like maxi skirts. And then our Temu one, does it have tag also? Interesting. This one doesn't have a tag. This actually feels better. Like, it feels better. It feels shorter, which, yeah, it feels shorter. That's what I would say. And then yes, I think I got the right size by getting a medium. Yeah, and it's extremely long and see-through. We're checking see-through. Yes, very, very see-through. Very, very see-through. Yeah, I've had this for a while, and the only reason I don't wear it is because it feels big. Even though, like, I can still style this. Like, I've worn it out one time, I think, and it wasn't bad, but I just wanted it to be, you know, maybe more appealing to the eyes. But yeah, I don't like how it's looking. Look at that. I hate it when skirts do like this. It's not because I'm OD, like, it's literally like that. Like, it's like that. This one is just a little shorter, but I don't know what's going on here. Why do I have so much space here? To be very honest, I think the Shein one is actually more flattering than this because, look. But the point of it is, yeah, it's the same picture. This is what came out for both of them. So the next one would be this shirt. Temu called it elegant special edition women's printed striped shirt, long sleeve button shirt. Sorry guys, I love saying that. Like, to everyone, I just say button. Shirt with classic color, medium stretch, and machine washable, suitable for office, commuting, or formal events. Office attire, sophisticated casual. Wow, that's a big word. It's called striped contrast button front casual shirt for women, light blue and white vertical striped long sleeved loose fit, suitable for spring, summer, and autumn. Non-stretch fabric, fashionable and elegant ladies shirt, loose long sleeve polyester blouse. Temu and Shein. Okay, first thing that I'm noticing is the blues are different. This one is Temu and this one is Shein. Oh, oh, I love that. I love that. It feels like nylon though, but it's soft. That's what I'm saying. I love it. Oh, that looks. Oh, oh, it's not see through. Oh my God, what? Wait. And then Shein. Oh, it's not bad too. Like, also, the bow on the Shein one is in color blue. The bow on the Temu one is black. But I feel like this is big though. Oh, it's not see-through also. Okay. This is our Shein shirt, which I don't, yeah, see? That's what I'm saying. Maybe the sizing, yeah, obviously. That's why I picked XL because, yeah, I wanted room. This is the Timu one. Yeah. I don't know. What if I say I like the Shein one better? But yeah, this is the Timu one. But I like the way the pattern is on this. I like it better than the Shein one. They are selling the same thing. Period. So the next thing is this bag. It's called Shavine Coins Women's Large Capacity PU Tote Bag with Charm Pendant. Multi-pocket handbag suitable for traveling, commuting, zipper closure, and durable PU for organized daily use. What is PU? I bought this bag before also, like just like the skirts, but I bought it late last year, and let me tell you the truth, everyone that saw that bag couldn't believe that it was from Shein. This is the one from Temu that I just bought for this video. This is the charm that it's the same. It's the same. Oh my God, this is so what do you call that word now? It's the same. It's the same thing that is written here. The same thing. Oh, it's the same bag. Wait, I actually thought it was gonna be like a little bit like, different, like, I don't know. Okay, I have a lot in this bag, so I'm gonna close it up. But yeah, this is the one from Shein. See, the same thing. That's the charm. This is the charm that it's the same, because I genuinely thought that like in person, because pictures are different. In person, it will come out to be like maybe a darker brown or a lighter brown, or the design. Look, this is from Shein, and this is from Temu. Bags. This is from Temu. This is from Shein. It's really cute, guys. This is really cute. But yeah, they're obviously selling the same thing. Yeah. Okay, our last item is this nice sandal for Shein. It's called 2025 Autumn Plus Size Women's Squirt Toe Lace Patchwork Floral Casual Outdoor Party Breathable Hollow Flat Loafers. Versatile Ballet Flats Mary Jane's. What? It's called Women's Casual Flat Shoes, Fashionable, Elegant, and Comfortable. A must-have for weddings, travel, social elites, and professional women. The top choice for Mother's Day gift, elegant flat shoes, and women's casual sneakers, women's shoes. What? This is Temu. This is Shein. Oh, that looks long. Oh no, right? Oh, it looks long. So this is it. It is pretty in real life, but I feel like it might be longer than my leg. And then for Shein, it is exactly the same thing. This is from Temu. Tell me that's not the same. it's my size. I thought they were gonna be bigger because they looked longer. Wait, it is my size. Nice. But I don't know how I feel about it. They look so ugly. Okay, the Shein one, looking at it, like it feels more, hmm, it looks more flattering looking at it from like top view. But yeah. Okay, so I love these videos. Oh my god. Yes, once again it confirms that these two brands are bouncing off of each other, taking pictures online and recreating them in the same way. It's crazy. It was fun once again doing this. I really enjoyed it. Like, I really do enjoy it, comparing these two brands. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video because I did. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you enjoyed it. They're selling the same thing. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.